So today I am doing a split closing, a split loan signing. So therefore, that means I am the second notary to go ahead and facilitate these documents. So right now I am getting my all-purpose acknowledgement forms filled out because this is a refi package. So there are several places for the notary to verify the identity of the signer and use my notary stamp. So this is how I prep myself when I am the second notary conducting a loan closing. I go ahead and fill out my acknowledgement documents forms so that can be ready for the closing and everything. It makes it go a little bit smoother other than trying to have the signer sign what they're supposed to sign and me fill out that form. So this is just a little something that I do as a second notary for a split closing. This is just the way I do it. You could do it however works best for you, but this is the way I do it. I get my documents. If I have time to get them before the closing, I go through them, make sure everything is the way it needs to be, and I fill out my acknowledgement form. So I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, please comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching. This is for a split closing, loan signing documents, notary here in North Carolina, Carolina Signs Pro. Thank you for watching.
Speak up when I hop about the cut, I promise I'm gonna speak up when I hop about the cut, I promise I'm gonna speak up when I hop about the cut, I promise I'm gonna make a scene. Got lights, cameras, action, but I promise that I won't be seen. She told me that she loved me, but I knew that make believe, but this ain't even about it, so let me catch you up to speed. Red target, slaying demons, I'll be quick to put them on that red carpet. TMZ